Good morning, Miva. Morning Assembly, Monday, February 24th. Yes, we've just come off a long week off. Hope everybody had a great time this last weekend or get to do some either visiting or playing or whatever else you'd like to do on your time off. I know I get to do some cross-country skiing, which I love, and so the snow came just in time for me. I hope you're all having fun with that. And of course, now with this degree temperatures, that's going to happen today at they say 50 degrees. Wow, what a change! So yeah, it's February, but it's also Maine, so you never know what's going to happen next. All right. Let's get on with our morning assembly so that you can get onto your advisories. Well, our quote of the day is kind of interesting. The world cries out for genuine love which heals, unites, and encourages. So, good thoughts from David Jeremiah today. All right. Today in history on February 24th, a few things happened. Well, in 1821, Mexico gains independence from Spain. So we get the end of the Spanish rule picture up here, you can see. And then kind of associated with that, in 1836, some 3,000 Mexicans launch an assault on the Alamo with its 182 Texan defenders. And a photo of that, we had talked about that the other week, about something going on there as well. So then in 1914, Civil War soldier and former governor of Maine, Joshua Chamberlain, dies. Yes, he served 4 terms. The terms were 1 year at that time. And he was also the colonel that saved the day at Gettysburg on Little Round Top. So if you've done some history studying, U.S. history people, you should know about that. So a very important figure in history, both in the country and for Maine. All right, science today. In 2017, ancient continent discovered beneath New Zealand. A team of geologists from GNS Science in Dunedin, New Zealand, presented their argument for recognition of Zealandia, a proposed 8th continent with 94% of its landmass submerged beneath the South Pacific Ocean. The continent, as it was outlined by geologists, covers 4.9 million square kilometers and rises 3,000 meters above the surrounding ocean floor, though it is still mostly submerged. New Zealand, New Caledonia, and a spattering of small islands are the only unsubmerged portions of the sunken continent. If recognized, Zealandia would be the smallest continent, about 60% the size of Australia. All right, science is cool. So National Tortilla Chip Day is today. Yeah, so you probably wondered about that, didn't you? Tortilla chips were initially an afterthought, a simple snack made from leftover tortillas, but these crispy triangles of deliciousness soon became a nationwide sensation, and each February 24th, we celebrate these salty snacks with National Tortilla Chip Day. Whether you eat yours plain or dip them in a spicy salsa, tortilla chips bring the fiesta to any occasion. Yay! All right, some field trips coming up. Maine State House Tour is coming up actually very soon, this Thursday on the 27th at noon. And so you remember there'll be a guided tour there. Mrs. Valley will be there to be with you. So she'll give the tour and show you all around. I hope that this is going to work. Ms. Valley, sorry, got stuck in Florida, so she's doing some remote from there. We will keep you up to date on that progress of that and see if we may need to reschedule it. Okay, at this time we'll say it's a go, but we never know. All right, the Miva Art Challenge though is going on, and that is coming to an end. Right, it comes to an end today, so your last chance to get your submissions to Ms. Uth and Juliana and Samuel at mivaartchallenge20@gmail.com. And again, use your personal email. But again, today is the day. So we're anxious to see all of your submissions, and they'll get to judge it and see how well everybody did. And then certainly we'll feature that at one of our assemblies. Okay, virtual science fair is also coming up next month, so you should be working on your projects. Everybody is invited. That means junior and senior high. And so we should be talking to your science teachers at this time to see if your project seems to be right for the fair. And we'll get more, of course, on that as we go along this coming month. Okay, the Miva Gaming Club is starting again tomorrow. There'll be another session at 4 o'clock on Tuesday, so make sure that you are joined in on that. Ms. Ford would like you to email her at cford@mainvirtual.org and let her know if you're coming and having some fun with that. I think it's a great club for everyone involved. All right, and Ms. Reed is also promoting the 25 Days of March Mainness, and so that is going to be coming up next month. So it's coming fast, isn't it? March is right around the corner. So your due date for getting in entries are Tuesday, February 25th, and of course we've been posting this for most of the last week or so. But that is the form that you will look at to give your ideas. So time is running out. Tomorrow, get it in. Okay, finally on today, Re-registration opens today, the 24th. Remember, you're a member of MIVA, but you need to re-register to be a member next year. And we want to hold your seat for the next couple of weeks, but you do need to register for next year. So registration information will be coming to your parents, but keep this in mind. March 6th is the closing date. That's when we'll be opening it up to other students and we have quite a waiting list, so there'll be others trying to join us. We would like to keep you, though. We feel that you are a great asset to our school. So stay on board and re-register as soon as you can. All right, so it's a short morning assembly for me, but I want you to enjoy your advisory time at this time. And don't forget that we are MIVA and we like to make things happen. And so I want to wish everybody a great week and welcome back from your winter break. And now it's time to enjoy some advisory time. All right, make it a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.